Hello everyone, this is Sandeep here. In this video today we're going to show you that how you can uninstall or remove any version of Microsoft Office completely from your computer. So um, from starting we'll go in the Microsoft official website and we'll download that Office removal for your Windows system. I will drop this link in the video description below. You can grab this link directly and you can just paste it in your browser and download this tool. So I'll go to the Firefox, I'll download it. So it will come up like that. So just click on it to open the file. Processing something here. You may get a prompt to allow it to run the app. Click yes on it. Verifying application requirements. Okay. Okay, so Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistance is open on screen and it's looking for troubleshooting the issue. Please wait while we are checking a few things. So yeah, we have to be patient when we're running this tool. It may take some time. All right, so it says select the Office version you want to remove. So all right, there's a long list, but I'll check for all of the above versions. Please be patient. It may take several minutes. So I'll go with this option. So if any version available in my system can be removed because I've been installing multiple versions of Office from last few years. So yeah, I'll go with this option, all versions. So now there's a note before you click on next. It says uninstalling Office won't remove your files, documents, or other user data. So you don't need to worry, your documents will be saved. So when you install any new version of Office, you will get your documents open on that screen. So let's click on next. Okay, I have saved my all work, open files. So it says confirm. We may need to restart your computer. All right. Okay, so let's click next. Detecting installation of Office 2010. Okay, installing. This will take several minutes. Cleaning up. So this process is going to take time, and currently it has detected only Office 2010 and uninstalled completely from the system, from other folders, registry, and everywhere. And it's cleaning up. And then after it will check for another version if anything available in the system, and it will run the same thing, detecting installation for other Office version. And yeah, it will do the same process for and look for the all versions. If once it is done, at last it will definitely ask you to restart or reboot your computer to get in effect. Yeah, I think yeah, this is the way that you can remove the Office versions from your system completely by using this Microsoft Support Assistant tool or the removal tool. And yeah, this is going to take time, so I'm just going to end up this video right now. But yeah, you have to be very patient when you are running this tool. Thank you so much for watching.
PC Guide for You is here to help you with your issues. For more updates, subscribe now.